Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you that how will you rotate an strip or movie clip. First of all, you have to open Blender. I have a shortcut key on my desktop. Click on Blender, double click on Blender, and then click on video editing. Now, let's add a movie clip. Click on add, click on movie. I have a video in this that is now you can see that this video is not in good view. I have to rotate this. You have to click on video strip, then click on add, click on effect strip, and then transform. Now in the properties section you can see that here rotation option is there. You have to put the value 270 or minus 90 because we have to rotate our video strip 270 degree. Then okay, see, the strips have been rotated. Now you have to set the pixels resolution. In this y axis have 1080 pixels, so you have to write 1080 here. See, your video is now clear. You can also set the scale and other properties. Crop, you can crop the video from here if you want to crop. So that's it, you can rotate your video strip in Blender. I am using Blender 2.81 version. Thank you guys, please subscribe my channel for more videos and like my video, ask some questions in comments, and share it to your friends. Thank you very much.